Group Executive Chairman, Dr. Winston Adams, I now invite you to install the Pro-Chancellor. Your Excellency, I invite you to step forward. The profile of His Excellency will be read. It will be read by Mr. Robert Scott.
Good morning. His Excellency Dawood Shezawi is a prominent Emirati entrepreneur and global investment leader. As the head of Strategic Holdings Group, a Dubai-based conglomerate, he oversees diverse businesses including Strategic International, Strategic Infinity, Systematic and Strategic Higher Education, and the influential AIM Global Foundation and Congress. Al-Shezawi's influence extends far beyond his own group. As president of the annual investment meeting, AIM, one of the world's largest investment platforms, he demonstrates his commitment to fostering foreign direct investment and economic growth. His leadership roles also include chairman positions at Alliance International Investment, Al Boom Gas, and EVEXA. Of particular note is the AIM Global Foundation and Congress, an independent international organization championed by His Excellency. Dedicated to empowering the global economy, it promotes effective investment attraction strategies and fosters economic collaboration between nations. The organization actively drives positive change by creating investment opportunities and strengthening economic ties worldwide. Mr. Shezawi's academic background strengthens his leadership credentials. He holds a Bachelor of Science degree in Industrial Engineering Technology from Central Michigan University, equipping him with strong foundation in business and technological processes. His Excellency Dawood Shezawi stands out as a visionary leader who leverages his expertise and leadership positions to promote investment, drive economic growth, and foster international collaboration.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege as Executive Chairman of the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean on this 28th day in the month of July 2024 to install His Excellency Dawood Shezawi as Pro-Chancellor and International Ambassador for the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Will you commit to serve the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean as Pro-Chancellor and Chief International Ambassador?
I will.
On the authority vested in me by the Shareholders Board of the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean, I now install you, Dawood Shezawi, as Pro-Chancellor and Chief International Ambassador. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Awesome. Good, good. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
The names.
Congratulations
Thank
again.
you, Excellency.
His Excellency Al Shezawi, I now invite you to deliver your response.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, my colleagues, and the special graduate students of 2024. I come to you from United Arab Emirates, 13,000 kilometers from Dubai to Jamaica. The country that believes on youth, on talent, on women. The country that believes on education, learning, and innovation. And I take this responsibility with honor to support the chairman and the board of directors of the university to empower education and empower all the youth. The youth is the foundation for this country. And at my capabilities, I would like to work with the board of the directors to create global partnership and develop international relations for the university. I really look forward for all of our graduates to have a bright future. And we look forward that we grow this community globally. Thank you.